Finite is same. Start. The commission contends that the manner of conducting examination by the commission, even in regard to recruitment to judicial service, is governed by the Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission Rules 1976 made by the commission in exercise of the power conferred by the UP State Public Service Commission Act 1974. Rule 26 provides for preparation of a panel of examiners or constitution of a committee for the purpose of holding examination in each subject. Rule 28 provides that the question papers set by the examiner shall be placed before the commission to ensure conformity with the required standard of examination, and the commission may moderate the question papers or constitute a committee to perform the work of moderation. Rule 30 provides for advertisement of vacancies for which sections are to be made and scrutiny of applications received. Rule 33 provides for the determination of place, dates, and time of examination and the centers for examination. Rule 34 provides for the list of persons suitable to be appointed as invigilators and appointment of invigilators. Rule 37 provides for fictitious roll numbers to be allotted to each candidate before the answer books are dispatched to the examiners for assessment. Rule 38 provides that the number of answer books to be sent to each examiner shall be fixed by the commission. Rule 44 requires the secretary of the commission to take steps for tabulation of marks obtained by each candidate as soon as the answer scripts are received after evaluation and removal of discrepancies and corrections. Rule 45 provides for random checking of the tabulation to ensure correctness and accuracy of tabulation. Rule 47 provides that the original roll numbers of candidates shall thereafter be restored to the answer scripts and for issue of interview letters. Rule 49 authorized the commission to decide the number of candidates to be called for interview to appear before a board on any day. Rule 50 provides that the interview marks awarded shall be kept in safe custody. Rule 51 provides that mark sheets shall be opened on the last day of interview and immediately thereafter the marks of interview personality test shall be added to the marks obtained by the candidates in the written examination, and thereafter on the basis of the total so obtained the merit list shall be prepared and placed before the commission for final declaration of the result. It is no doubt true that judicial service rules govern the recruitment to judicial service having been made in exercise of power under Article 234 in consultation with both the Commission and the High Court. It also provides that examinations should be conducted and the maximum marks for each subject in the examination, but the judicial service rules entrust the function of conducting examinations to the commission. The judicial service rules do not prescribe the manner and procedure for holding the examination and valuation of answer scripts and awards of the final marks and declaration of the results. Stop.